This channel generates $2,000 per month. Here's how they did it. Hey there, and welcome to an exciting challenge that's about to unfold. In this video, we're diving into the world of YouTube Shorts with a goal: monetizing a brand new channel in just 30 days. I'll share everything I did over the past week to help you kickstart your YouTube Shorts channel correctly. But here's the twist. I am going to keep you in suspense.
Wait a minute! Who are you?
Because by the end of this video, we'll reveal the results this channel managed to achieve in just 7 days. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. We're not just here to drone on about theory. We're here to make it practical, fun, and engaging. So get ready and prepare to be amazed, because this journey is about to kick off in style.
FBI, open up! My time has come.
Before we jump into the exciting world of shorts, we need to do our homework. The first step is niche research. For this step, we are armed with two powerful tools: Google Trends and Vidic. For this channel, we have chosen the motivational niche. Well, let me tell you why. We aim to stand out and captivate a unique group of individuals. By delving into the captivating world of the motivational genre, we unlock the door to a vibrant, passionate, and dedicated audience, actively seeking content that inspires and motivates them. To do that, we have decided not to follow the crowd this time. Instead of heading down the Joe Rogan path, we have chosen to venture into the motivational niche with the one and only David Goggins. Why? David Goggins is the epitome of a true warrior. With a background as a Navy SEAL and an ultra-endurance athlete, he is the living embodiment of strength and determination. His inspiring story of overcoming obstacles and pushing the limits of what is humanly possible has captivated millions of people all over the world. Amazing, right? Yeah, I know. I wish I could be like him too. In our quest to optimize David Goggins' powerful message in How to Master Your Life for YouTube Shorts, we embarked on a journey guided by two amazing tools: Google Trends and Vidic. We first went to the Google Trends website itself, setting the stage for our analysis. We explored daily and real-time trends. These insights served as our compass, guiding us towards keywords and topics with immense potential for engagement in the motivational niche. With Google Trends as our guru, we uncovered the hottest trends buzzing worldwide, ensuring our content would attract and engage our audience. In our journey to optimize David Goggins' How to Master Your Life for YouTube Shorts, we didn't stop at just creating captivating content. We also utilized the power of Vidic to ensure it reaches its full potential. To get started, we installed the Vidic browser extension. Once the extension was in place, we headed to our YouTube video and began the process. Instead of diving deep into intricate keyword research, our goal was to quickly gauge the overall performance, focusing on factors like search volume and competition of the keywords we were targeting. The key takeaway here was the Vidic score, a numerical representation of our video's potential. And the outcome was promising. The Vidic score indicated that our selected keywords held a very high potential to attract views and engagement.
I'm here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
Now we have found and chosen our niche and are wholeheartedly dedicated to the amazing world of motivation. And you know we are inspired by our model, David Goggins. It is time to see how we turn those motivational moments into captivating YouTube Shorts. Have you ever heard of OpusClips? OpusClips is the ultimate tool to create mind-blowing videos without breaking a sweat or needing any fancy editing skills. OpusClips simplifies the editing process with its user-friendly interface and intuitive tools. Trust me, you don't have to be an editing wizard to make it work. How did we do it? First, we dragged and dropped David Goggins' How to Master Your Life on the OpusClip website. Then, after uploading by clicking the Upload File button, we clicked the settings in the top right corner of the website. Afterwards, we selected the MP4 format and chose the 30 seconds duration for our YouTube short. Then, out of the many AI features, we use AI curation and AI virality score to know the potential of the video. Then we downloaded it, and our YouTube Shorts is ready.
Hacker! Hacker! هكر يا جماعة لو انتبهتوا لحركاته هكر.
Now that we've found our niche and are ready to go with our short videos, it's time to birth our YouTube page. The plan is to make a channel name, image, and logo. We use the reliable ChatGPT to come up with a name for our channel that fits our niche, which is inspiring and motivational videos. Remember, it's all about keeping things simple and easy to remember. There's no need to overcomplicate things. When it comes to making a good first impression with pictures, you can't say enough about how important your logo and banner are. Using Midjourney, I made an animated picture of David Goggins. But hey, you can get by just fine with free tools like Canva if you are trying to get things done on a tight budget. Canva makes it easy to make a polished logo and banner by giving you a wide range of editable templates in different forms. Just pick colors and fonts that go with the idea you want to use to inspire people. Also, if you want your channel to look good, you should add images or graphics that are important. Keep in mind that the best way to make your inspiring video shorts channel successful is to give it a look that people will remember and find interesting. But here's the deal. Don't get lost in the confusing world of branding. Focus on making material that gets people to look at it and keeps them interested. Just having a brand won't be enough. So keep it simple and interesting, and don't forget that the goal is to monetize your channel.
Till it's cool, just cool, into the mouth. Nice.
So you have hung in there with us, and as promised, it is time to reveal the results of our 7 days YouTube Shorts Challenge. Are you ready? On the first day of our journey, we had about 4,000 views, which set the stage for an exciting week. Guess what? By the second day, we had around 8,800 views, which was a huge jump. The watch hours graph showed that our followers were just as excited as we were. Now, let's talk about something important: the percentage of people who swipe to watch. It was not where we wanted it to be, but that's what challenges are for, right? We're going to work on this over the next few weeks to make sure that people watch our shorts over and over again. The first month is all about getting things set up for success in the long run. Just look at our view chart. It goes up to a high point and then stays there or drops. Don't let the first decline get you down. YouTube is like a dating service that tries out different audiences to find the perfect match for your channel. Let me share some things I've learned from working on another program to put things into perspective. Before, each video got an average of between 3,000 and 7,000 views and 100 to 300 likes. But now that shorts are part of the picture, each short gets thousands of views and likes. Now I understand. It can be disappointing to see that your shorts are getting lesser views later, but don't rush to hit the delete button or post again. Give it a few days, because YouTube sometimes takes its sweet time putting your videos into the algorithm. Remember that these first ideas may not change the world, but they are a step toward exponential growth. Any of the shorts you post could go viral in a matter of days, catapulting your channel into the spotlight. As we continue this journey, I will update you on our progress and let you know how things are going. Our goal is to monetize this channel in the next 3 weeks, and we want you to be there with us every step of the way.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
So if you're up for the task, hit that subscribe button and come along with us on this exciting ride. Before we wrap this up, I want to give you a few bonus tips to supercharge your YouTube Shorts journey. Bonus tip number 1. Practice content research by correctly consuming content. It may sound confusing, but it's all about asking the right questions while you're scrolling through YouTube. What did successful channels do to get where they are? How long did it take them? How did they find video ideas? It might be challenging initially, but keep at it. Bonus tip number 2. Stay focused on views and likes, especially when you're just starting. The number of views can vary widely between different niches. What truly matters is what you learn from each short and how you use that knowledge to improve the next one. Also, don't fret if YouTube doesn't instantly push your content into the algorithm. Sometimes it takes a little patience. Bonus tip number 3. Remember, it takes time to achieve overnight success. That might sound like a paradox, but let me explain. That viral video of mine, it took over 10 days to gain traction in the algorithm, now sitting at almost 1.5 million views. But here is something that may come as a surprise to you. I didn't upload another video for the next 11 days. I didn't obsess over the numbers, and they started climbing independently. The point here? You can't control the number of views, but you can control the quality of your content. So there you have it. A glimpse into our YouTube Shorts journey and some invaluable bonus tips to help you on your way. Feel free to share your greatest struggles regarding Shorts and YouTube in general in the comments, and I'll do my best to address them in future videos.